Welcome to this week's video. Have you or anybody in your family received a nice piece of paper from your doctor's office listing all the things that you could do to help reduce your LDL, your bad cholesterol, and maybe you have heart disease and you have to make some dietary changes? I'd like to help you with that in some videos to come, and so let's get started. Now, I am a chef, not a doctor, so you have to work alongside your doctor, but I can also give you some great cooking techniques and knowledge that I have to help you eat better, to reduce those numbers. And very interestingly, my daughter is an RN, and we had to take the exact same nutrition class. And doctors really don't spend a lot of time studying nutrition, so hopefully you can find some doctor that would really like to help you. My husband has heart disease, and his first doctor only prescribed pills. Now his second doctor, we have a great one now, and he at least gives you this great piece of paper with lots of at least guidelines to help you along the way. There's so much advice out there, and even breaking down everything on this piece of paper will take a while. So we will go step by step throughout our journey on lowering our cholesterol and reducing inflammation in our arteries. That sticky substances that line your arteries is what can lead to a heart attack. So you want to reduce that, you want to break that up and make your arteries nice and smooth. You can do that through diet. You can make a big improvement with your diet. Now, most importantly, on this journey, it is easy to get overwhelmed and just start thinking about all the things that you can't have. But you have to change your mindset and just think about the things that you get to have and that you can have. I'm sure every year you notice that in January they start talking about all the different diets. The Mediterranean diet was one of them, and that's been standing for several years now. And also they are emphasizing whole food, plant-based, which is good because that's a lot of the lists that we will be working on to start our healing journey and getting our numbers down. And one thing they are emphasizing is to really cut back on saturated fats, eating more whole grains and fruits and vegetables from the original source, and so not processed. So that's what we will be working on, and working on our mindset. I think a good way to start is the guidelines of eating 4 servings of fruit a day and 5 servings of vegetables a day. Maybe that can be your homework this week to really start thinking. That doesn't mean going through the drive-through and getting a fruit smoothie. If you really looked at what's in the fruit smoothie, you might be a little disappointed. What we want is we want the fiber from the fruit. That way your blood sugar will not be going up and down. Always think about fiber when you're having your fruit. So let's be eating whole fruits this week, and I can show you how. Blueberries are a really great option and super healthy for you to eat, and this is the week that we're trying to eat more fruits and vegetables. I can get a big bag from our local Costco, and hopefully you guys have one. So this is a great option. You can do a lot with blueberries, and you can also at Costco get the fresh, which are really good too. I put them in my oatmeal in the morning, and you can make a great smoothie with them. So I think everybody in your family would really enjoy having blueberries. So while we're trying to eat more fruit this week, the apple is really special because it contains a wealth of cholesterol fighting compounds, notably pectin, but also antioxidants and fiber. Now, we like having apples and cinnamon. My husband likes doing that in the evening, and I love putting apples in oatmeal and also making a great dessert with some granola sprinkled on top. There's so many things you can do with apples, so an apple a day keeps the doctor away is really true. Your homework is also to be eating more vegetables. If you don't like vegetables, there are so many different ones that you can try. Have you ever tried roasting them in the oven? So good. You can hide spinach in your spaghetti sauce. No one will ever know. You can make lasagna. You can put so many vegetables in the sauce. No one will ever know. That's a good way to be packing in more vegetables, especially for kids that may be a little more picky. So let's work on vegetables. Alrighty, so remember your homework for the week is to work on your mindset that you're going to think about the foods that you can have, not all the things that you can't have, eating more fruits and vegetables, and in upcoming videos we'll be going over some more powerhouse foods to help you get that LDL down. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also you can go over to my Instagram, Mom Lincoln Donna Cooking, and we can share with each other what we're having to eat every day. Let's encourage each other on this journey to lower our cholesterol and get our numbers down, and to help anybody that we love as we're cooking their food, to help them in their heart disease journey. We need to keep you around. Our families need us, and you are the most important person to all of them. So don't forget, you have to take good care of yourself. So until next time, happy cooking, and I'll see you in the next video.